Welcome to Brizo Pure, the CBD revolution. The reason we are unique is because we have an exclusive patented extraction process. Between the traditional CBDs that you find in the hookah lounges, the CBD stores, and the smoke shops, typically look like this and resemble two different extraction processes. One is ethanol, the other one is CO2. The end game is an oil, and it looks something like a balsamic vinegar, very oily, very distinct, has other carrier oils to go with it, so when you put it in your mouth, it doesn't taste so bad. Versus our product, which doesn't look as dark as this, is literally extracted with high pressure water, 100% high pressure water, no oils, no additives, pure CBD, 100% plant. And the real test to any CBD is typically taking each one and applying them to a glass of water. Again, this is an oil-based CBD versus a 100% water flush CBD. So typically what happens here is we're going to take 2 drops into each glass and show you the difference. What this difference represents is how the CBD at the end game results into your body. So when you intake it, how does it react inside your body? And we'll start with the competition first. We're going to take 2 drops. 1, 2. Now watch what happens closely there with that. See the color? The color starts to turn it a tint yellow. It still stays at the surface. It's going to discolor. It's going to bubble up. It's going to separate. But at the end of the day, it's still going to stay at the top, which means if your body is 72% water, this oil inside of water is not digesting. It's kicking it out. It's rejecting it out of your body because oil and water don't mix. Now, when we take the 100% water compatible high pressure water flush product by Brizo Pure, which is called Suthe, we'll do the same exact test, and you'll see the color difference here, and we put 2 drops in. This is water going into water, and see the result there. And as you can watch that, it slowly starts to gravitate towards the bottom, which means it goes from your head to your toes. No complications, no discoloring, no rising, and the effects are simply 100% more soothing into the body and digestible. Again, at the top, if you look at the top and you look inside this one, you won't see the surfacing and the discoloring as the oil product. This is the water product here. This is the oil product. So this is CO2 and ethanol extracted. This is high pressure water extracted. Now, typically what happens with this bottle is because it's high pressure water compatible, you can use this in your drinks. You can put them in your smoothies, your cup of coffee, your tea, a bottle of water. You can ingest it through the tongue, or you can use it as a topical. Get yours today on our site. We've listed it here. Thank you.